what if, let's just say my wife is 55? That's going to change the numbers, right? Because now they're on the hook for... Hey guys, welcome to the Guaranteed Retirement Guys show. So today I'm going to be talking to you about the best guaranteed income annuities that you can possibly have for your retirement. And I love guaranteed income. Okay, so let's look at the best annuities. I'm going to share my screen because I want you to see what I'm looking at. When people book a call with me, I show them everything. I don't show them just one company that's going to pay me a higher commission. Okay, I show them 20 or 30 of the top ones, and that's just the first page. Okay, you don't need to see page 2, 3, 4. I can show them to you if you want, but I'm here to show you the best retirement annuities available. Okay, so let's dive right in. And you'll notice I'm using myself as an example, okay? And I am just pretending that I am 65, because, I'm definitely 65 years old, you can definitely tell. And my wife, of course, is 62. And we're going to put $500,000 into this. And maybe I'm going to wait for 5 years. Maybe I'm thinking to myself, you know what? Social Security is going to pay me a maximum payout at 70. I'm not going to take it to 65 or even 67. I'm going to wait and get the most I can possibly get. And I'm healthy and I like working. I think I'm just going to keep working, but I still want to have some type of growth so I can have maximum income later on. So here's what I'll do. I'll put $500,000 into an annuity. And of course, I want it to be the best annuity. So, all right, which annuities out there are the best? Well, let's see here. You can see there's a lot of good ones from American Equity. You got AIG right there in the middle. There's one from Nationwide. There's one from North American. Boy, there's a lot of companies here. You got Athene. You got Midland. Great companies, right? All good companies. But hey, I want as much income as possible. So $45,000. Ooh, $48,865. Oh, don't mind if I do. So I'm just going to look at this top one. But you know what? Look at this one. It has enhanced payments. Ooh, that's for long-term care. I want long-term care. Yeah. If I get, if I can't do 2 out of the 6 daily living activities and I get confined, I want more money. So yeah, I think I'm going to do that because it's still giving me the same income, $48,865. The fee's a little bit higher, 1.2, but I don't care because I'm going to be pulling out a lot of money. Okay, the fee really doesn't matter to me. Now, if you don't want an annuity with a fee, I can show you those too, but the income will just be cut in half. So total ROI, much higher with the fee. But that's your call. All right, so let's look at how does this actually work? How does American Equity make the best annuity? And this is just for me and my age. You and your age and your spouse's age, there might be a different annuity, okay? It all depends. So, but let's just see how this works. Okay, you can see a guaranteed values, which shows you the income guaranteed $48,865, and it just shows you what the account value looks like, which just goes down faster if there's no index. If there's no interest that's earned on the index, which of course never happens. It at least earns something. So let's look at actuals. You can see averages that it earns. Maybe it'll be worth $600,000 by the time I take my income, $48,000. But here's the beauty. You see the income base? The income base is worth $776,000 multiplied by 6.29, and that's what gives me my $48,865. That's how the guaranteed income structure works. So it really depends on your age, if you're married, what their age is, and of course, when you want to start taking income. What if I want to start taking income right now? I don't want to wait till I'm 70. Forget that. I'm going to take income next month. I'm putting $500,000 in. I'm not going to miss out. All right. Well, you can see right there, it's $30,500 for the rest of my life. And I'm taking it out next month. Okay. And we're going to do it every year for the rest of my life. And if I die first, my wife continues to get it. It does not matter how long either of us live. If we live to 110, we continue to get it. Pretty cool. So let's say I'm not 65. Let's say I'm 60. Let's say my wife, we'll keep her 62. Why not? Well, 60 and 62, you can see, all right. Well, that's not too bad. Alliance will give me $29,000. That's pretty good. That's immediate income. That's pretty good. I like that. And then you can see some of the other ones, AIG and North American, pop up there. What if, let's just say my wife is 55? That's going to change the numbers, right? Because now they're on the hook for not only me, but my younger wife. Well, in this case, North American beats everyone out. Okay. Alliance is right underneath it. And now you got Global Atlantic. Okay. So there's so many factors. Okay. There's so many factors as far as what are you looking for? Do you want income? Do you want long-term care? Well, if you like long-term care and you don't want to be confined to a long-term care facility, but you still want the benefit and you want to be able to take it at home, well, guess what? Midland will allow that. The others won't. So you can go in here and say, all right, well, you know what? I don't mind a little bit less income knowing that if I need long-term care, I'm going to be able to have it at home. So again, you want to talk to an annuity expert such as myself who is unbiased. I'm happy to share with you how all of these annuities work and why one might be better for you versus another. That's why we get to know each other. That's why it's a relationship. Okay, I don't go away after I sell you an annuity, and I don't even have to sell you an annuity. If you don't want to buy from me, fine. I'm happy to help and give you facts and figures and give you as much value as I possibly can. So what I want to do is just have a chance to have a conversation with you. And we'll go over the numbers. I'll give you a free report. And if you go your way and you don't want to talk to me ever again, you don't have to, okay? But if you want some help setting it up, I'm happy to do so. And of course, I would love to be able to get to know you better and be able to have that relationship with you a lot longer than just the initial annuity application. I'd like to be able to help you turn on the income later on, especially if you pass and maybe your spouse needs it, or maybe they want to pass it on to loved ones. There's so many different factors. It's important to have someone there with you. I'm the Guaranteed Retirement Guy. And if you got any questions, please book a call.